Hello. I just want to talk to you a little bit about something very important to your grade, which is your research paper. You know, just in general, English Composition 2, English 1302, is the course in the American college system that teaches students how to do research and documentation. And in many colleges, ours being one, those Composition 2 courses are literature driven, poetry, fiction, drama. And it's easy to forget that what you're ultimately here to learn is how to do research and documentation. And so the research means through our library database, not just Googling something that you can reach with just an internet connection. You're developing the skill of looking for scholarly articles through a library database. And then there's the aspect of documentation, which comes in two forms. Two. One is the in-text citations in your paper, and the other is the citations on the works cited page. So, what you're really trying to demonstrate by the end of the course is that you have grasped those skills. While performing a literary analysis in this assignment and that assignment is important, ultimately what you're here to learn, what you're here to demonstrate is that as a Composition 2 student, you have grasped the skills at least an adequate level of how to perform scholarly research through the library database, and then how to document that research within your paper. And your research paper is your opportunity to do that. You can't write a whole research paper with almost no in-text citations at all, nor can you write one with sources on the works cited page that are never engaged in the paper. For a source to legitimately appear on your works cited page, it has to be engaged once or twice within the body of the paper, within text citations. And if it's not, then it doesn't belong on a works cited page. So if you sort of get that wrong, what message you're sending is, I really don't understand, research and documentation, or at least documentation, all that well. So look in each lesson for the videos I've given you for how to do research, how to do literary analysis, how to document things, and explore the links to the MLA sources that we've given you within this course, and make sure you put together a solid research paper. It's a large part of your grade, and you're not going to do well in this class and other classes without solid research and documentation skills. Any professor you have from here is going to assume you had this course. And they're going to just say, well, use MLA or whatever style guideline. They're not going to try and teach it to you. They assume you've been taught already. And if you've taken this course, you kind of have. The question is, how well did you negotiate learning those skills? So I hope this little talk is helpful. Thank you.